Hi everyone, welcome back. We're back with another unboxing video. Today I have a gaming mouse sent to me by the guys at EasySMX. I've not actually used the gaming mouse before, thought of buying one but never bothered to get one. So this is the box, cute little box here. And yeah, we're going to be opening it up and setting up and having a look at how it actually works. On my laptop I do currently have a very basic mouse running, and yeah, I use it because I prefer it to a trackpad. Trackpads are good but they can be a bit fiddly, and I cannot get this box open. 1 second, I have no nails. But yeah, this should be a good mouse. Apparently it's got a few functions and I think it's got like 6 programmable buttons. So yeah. Okay, it's open. And here we go. So a little booklet. Obviously we're not going to need this. It just tells you about the different buttons and setting it up and things like that. And yeah, and FAQs and all that. And this is the mouse. So this is the mouse here. It's got an ergonomic kind of shape and grip, and it's got like a nylon kind of quite a thick sort of flexible wire, so that's good. And it's quite a good weight. It's not a light mouse. It's not heavy either, but it's feels solid. And it's not an expensive mouse. Again, it's a budget gaming mouse. So yeah. Let's just get rid of this, open this up properly. Okay, here we go, and yeah, let's set this up and see what happens. Okay, before we put this on the computer, there's a few things we should note here. We've got a grip sort of surface here and on the other side. There's 2 buttons on this side, 1, 2. Then you've got the track wheel. And 1, 2, and then this one here. So that's 2, 3, that's 5 buttons I believe, and this one obviously makes it 6. So yeah, it's 6 button and it's very comfortable. It's like quite big, fits in the hand quite nicely, and the fact that it's got these grips on the side is quite nice. So yeah, now let's see how we set this up. Okay, to configure the mouse and set up the various buttons to do the things you want to do, you have to go onto this website here, the EasySMX website, and download the app, which I'm going to do now. They just want some information. Okay, basically to set up the mouse, you have to go to the EasySMX website and download the mouse app. I would do that, but my internet is quite slow and it will take forever. As you can see, it's got different lights, and at the moment it's changing color, but you can make it stay on, with that app you can make it stay on the light color you want it to be on. I'd probably have it on purple or maybe green, I don't know. So yeah, it's quite a nice mouse, quite pretty as well. Works as soon as you plug it in, it starts working. You don't need to have the app to make it work. That's just to program the buttons and do other things to it as well. But yeah, and as I said, it's not it doesn't feel cheap and it doesn't feel light. It's a good weight and it feels good in the hand as well. So I'm going to be using this from now on. This was the mouse I was using before. So yeah, sorry the camera went out of focus there, but this was a quite simple TrackNet mouse I'm using before, so I'm going to use this one now, not maybe for some games, but mainly just for like everyday use. It feels amazing. So yeah, also in this video, last time I had the EasySMX headphones, and they have a new model of these headphones. I think they're a bit more rounder, they're the same sort of padding, same concept, same better sound quality, or maybe even the same, maybe slightly better. But basically the description, the link for them on Amazon is in the description of this video, and there's also a code for 50% off discount, I believe it is. I think it's 50% off. Anyway, there's a discount code and the product in the description of this video, but there's the discount and the link are only for UK. The discount code only works in the UK. So anyone watching in the UK, if you want to get some gaming headphones, sorry about that noise, I was playing with some packing. So yeah, if you're in the UK, the discount code and the product for headphones, basically just like this, just a new design, and I think it's a 50% off discount, and you can get that in this video. It's at the subscription. Apart from that, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and share this video. I've got new ones coming up soon, and hopefully gonna have some exciting videos coming up, hopefully in the next month. So yeah, keep watching, and if you want to get a gaming mouse, I would recommend this highly because it is very good. I can't remember, I think it's like £8 or £9 on Amazon, and it's worth the money. It's yeah, it feels good, it looks good, and yeah, it's EasySMX make look at this, that's really bright as well. They make some really good products, so yeah, highly recommended. And again, thanks for watching this video, and see you all hopefully next week. Thank you, bye.